Today I'll be showing you some card making basics. In this segment, I'll be showing you how to decorate the money card that we already made. This card I've gone ahead and put Congrats Grad, which is a message that's going to fit the recipient as they're graduating, and I wanted to give them a small money gift. When you open the inside, you're also going to want to put a message where you put the money. Make sure before you start decorating that you've taken out the money that you already made sure fit into the slits that we cut earlier, because you don't want to mark on that or ruin the money. It's also important to keep in mind that the money will be covering most of the intersection of the card, and you don't want to be writing any kinds of messages where the money will be laying. So we're going to put our message over here on the right side. You can put it on either flap as long as it's a nice personal message. In this one, I'm simply going to put Congratulations on your graduation. It's a basic message, but it fits the needs of our recipient. It's also nice whenever you're making a card that you do it in handwriting, as that makes the card much more personal. And it's also important that you keep your handwriting as organized as possible, and if you're not able to do handwriting without putting down some kinds of lines, that you go ahead and use a ruler to keep your handwriting straight, or use even a stencil, which I also have. Here I've written a nice graduation message, and afterwards you can sign it with your own signature and put the money back into the slits that we made before closing up the card and giving it to your recipient.